see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Hey everyone, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a bit of a DIY type of vlog for you guys. We're just going to be making my Halloween costume. I know spooky season is right around the corner. We're about 2 weeks out from Halloween. I'm going to be going to LA this year to celebrate. I actually haven't celebrated Halloween in a few years, so I wanted to go big and make myself a really cute costume. Not going to be super big. I just want to do a cute little Cupid type of look, but I do have some materials out here that I'm going to be using to kind of give everything a little bit of extraness that it needs. So I do have this top right here that is going to be like the base of the whole costume, and the idea that I had behind this is just that I'm going to be covering this with like kiss marks, if that makes sense. But as you guys can see, this top I accidentally did ruin actually about a year ago. I had this in a container with some graphic tees, and that ended up transferring onto this leather top. So I'm going to be trying to cover up the parts that I messed up with those lip marks, so kind of upcycling this top so that I can still get some use out of it, even though I did do a little bit of damage to it. So I do have these 3 different lip balms or lip glosses, lipsticks from NYX that I'm going to be using. These are just about $5 each. So these are what I'm going to be using to put the lip marks on here. And then I also do have some wings that are going to be going with my costume right here. And with this, I plan on just adding a bunch of little red hearts all around this. I have some heart stickers off to the side that I'll show you guys in a little bit. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and hop right on into this little DIY project for today. So we're just going to go ahead and hop right on into this video. So like I mentioned in the intro, I have these 3 different lip stains right here that I'm going to be using to transfer color from my lips onto the top. So I have like a bright pink, a dark red, and then a kind of brighter red. So I'm just going to pick one of these colors and apply it to my lips and get that onto the top. And then I'm just going to alternate between these 3 until I get the top looking exactly how I want it to look. And then after that, we can move on to the wings too. So this is how this top turned out looking. This process was super fun, but also pretty messy. As you guys can see, I got lipstick literally all over my face. So the next thing I needed to tackle were my wings. I really just plan on adding some heart stickers to this to add some color. notice how my wings turned out? I feel like the heart stickers add such a great pop and really draw your eyes to all different parts of this costume. And these are all the accessories I got to go with my costume. I got all of these on Shein for under $10 total, I believe. I ended up pairing the top with a basic flared pink miniskirt, and I feel like this made my costume super cute and flirty. Plus, once I put all of my other accessories on, I feel like it really brought everything together, and now I'm actually feeling pretty excited to bring this costume with me to LA. Be sure to let me know in the comments how you guys feel about how this costume turned out, give this video a like, and subscribe to my channel for more weekly lifestyle, fashion, and beauty content. Bye guys!